Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from She'sMakingAnImpact.com. Let's talk about what boards are essential for Pinterest and Pinterest marketing. Okay, so you want to make sure think about your boards as a way for you to add massive value to your ideal client. So you want to make sure that your boards are something that they would need help with. And I'll give you an example of what I've done in my own business and what I teach. So I have boards around supporting the female entrepreneur that's growing an online business. So one of my boards is female entrepreneur tips or branding tips for entrepreneurs, Instagram picture ideas. And remember, board titles are searchable. Pinterest is a search engine. So you want to make sure that the titles and the description are searchable. Some other things, Pinterest marketing tips or blogging tips for entrepreneurs. So we have all these different boards that are supporting our ideal client. One of the things you definitely should have when it comes to boards is one that's specific just for your content. So with all those other boards, I'm pinning other people's stuff and my own stuff on them. So it's not just my content. With my blog post board, it's literally only my content. So only my stuff goes there. So if someone lands on my Pinterest account and they want to learn more about what I can offer, they can go to that board and it's only my stuff. So I hope that helps. Pinterest is such an amazing resource to help you get more traffic and get free leads. It'll blow your mind what can happen when you dominate on Pinterest. So if you want to learn more, go to freepinterestclass.com and register for my free Pinterest masterclass. And I'll talk to you later.